Hello friends, if you're a beginner or the experienced developer, everybody has faced null pointer exception. Look at this simple program. We got two strings, we're comparing two strings using equals method. They are equal, we'll get strings are equal. What if string 1 is null? It's going to throw null pointer exception, right? And we can avoid this null pointer exception, we can add a null check. So I will say, okay, string 1 is not equal to null. Plus actually we can add a null check for string 2. And then this is null safe. We will not see any kind of null pointer exception. Correct. So how can we avoid? So there is a lot of boilerplate things we are doing here, like null check, and then we're doing the equals. So there is a utility method which is coming from the object class dot equals and pass string 1 and string 2. So this way it's quite cleaner approach, and we are reducing the boilerplate code. So question is when to use dot equals and object dot equals method. When we are 100% sure that method arguments are not going to be null, we can use dot equals. But if there is a smallest possibility that the arguments could be null, always use object dot equals because it is more safer and it can avoid a null pointer exception. Thanks for watching.